You need to watch this if you struggle with stress. Peer meditation could be your answer. Peer meditation is a powerful way to connect and find calm together. It's like having a meditation buddy who gets you, understands you, and supports you. Here's the magic. With peer meditation, you're not just meditating, you're bonding. Studies show that meditating with others can boost your happiness and reduce stress even more than going solo. Plus, it's a great way to build a strong support system. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned pro, peer meditation makes the journey more fun and rewarding. You get to share experiences, learn from each other, and grow together. Ready to discover the magic of peer meditation? Grab a friend, find a quiet spot, and start your journey to inner peace together. Trust us, it's better with company. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with peer meditation. Thanks for watching and happy meditating.